Hey guys, on behalf of Kelowna Hyundai, I'd like to introduce to you the 2022 Ioniq 5 Ultimate All-Wheel Drive. Couple of things that I wanted to show you from the beginning. So it's got these yellow LEDs, daytime running lights. Absolutely stunning car. The mirrors do fold in and fold out when the car is locked and unlocked, which is a really nice feature for a high-end vehicle. These are the 20-inch rims that come with the Ioniq 5 Ultimate Package All-Wheel Drive. I'll do a little of a walk around and tell you a couple of things on it. So 488 kilometer range. This is our digital teal color with the silver accents all over the vehicle. Of course, like any fully loaded model, it comes with a power lift gate, gorgeous LED lights in the back, very special looking, a full-size trunk, pretty much the same size as a Tucson, which makes this electric car a complete all-wheel drive SUV. I'll take you on the interior a little bit while opening the car here. Door handles pop out, very easy to use. This is the light interior. You can choose between this kind of leather and black leather. Lots of details in the interior. Absolutely a gorgeous finish. Two 10-inch screens. This car is equipped with heads-up display, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats in the back, GPS navigation, every imaginable safety feature you can think of, blind spot detection monitoring system. It's got the forward collision braking, rear cross traffic alert, as well as lane keep assist. This car also has the blind view monitoring system. I'll show you how that works here pretty quickly. So what happens is when the car turns on, you can turn on your indicator and it shows you a video live feed of both sides of the blind spots of the car. The 10-inch screens are absolutely stunning. This is quite a sporty vehicle to drive, so you get a really thick steering wheel, really heavy feel. Of course, dual zone climate control, center console moves back and forward, ambient lighting system for nighttime. You got beautiful trims all over the car, upgraded Bose sound system. I'll take you to the back here for a second. If you wanted to take a look, lots of space in the interior, a full-size back seat, seats recline and fold fully flat, 60-40 split, sunshades in the back, heated seats in the back. I probably already said that already. This vehicle is available as a factory order. Lots of people are ordering them already, getting in the queue. People are very interested in this vehicle. It's pretty much the only vehicle that directly competes with the Model Y. If you're in the market for an electrical vehicle, this is kind of the car for you. All-wheel drive, 488 kilometer range, north of 300 horsepower, really fast car. These are the daytime running lights, just a stunning looking vehicle. One last thing that I wanted to show you guys is a neat little feature that the car has. Let me just turn it off here for a second and then lock it up. So one of the greatest things about this car is if you're parked somewhere and somebody is parked a little too close to you, one of the things that the vehicle is capable of doing is basically moving forward out of a parking lot. So as you see, I'm using the key fob to move the vehicle forward out of the parking spot. It can do the exact same thing in reverse. It does have sensors, so it's not going to hit anybody while it does it. Just one of those neat little features that we have here in the Hyundai brand. This vehicle is changing everything we've ever thought about Hyundais and then some. So please come check us out, Kelowna Hyundai. Come in, take it for a drive. We'll see you soon and have a wonderful day here in the beautiful sunny Okanagan.